So she has some. We see that she has some photo shoots.
Oh, she's pretty.
Oh, she's actually cute.
She's so cute.
She's actually cute. Let's zoom in on the eyes. Oh, she's actually cute. Are you cold?
No, it's okay. I just drink this. It's okay. Did you get this T-shirt?
Long time ago. I even wore it in the Philippines.
You're wasting all my savings.
I make my own money.
I work so hard for you.
I make my own money. I'm an independent woman. Hey guys, it's Yani here and Fabio, and we're back with another video.
Give me 1 second. I wasn't prepared.
Let me do Fabio's intro. Fabio's like, hey guys, my name is Fabio and this is my boyfriend Yani. As you can see by the title of this video, it's gonna be exciting because...
Because what are we doing? No clue whatsoever.
We are reacting to one of the Instagram profiles of one of the people that we reacted to during the ABS-CBN Ball red carpet.
Oh, one of them.
Yes, just one.
Oh, we're picking wisely.
But after that video, the ABS-CBN Ball red carpet, many people went crazy when we reacted to MayMay Entrata.
I have no idea who she is.
She's an upcoming star in ABS-CBN.
Did we react to her?
Yeah,
No.
she was Katniss Everdeen.
Oh yeah.
So during that video, we really didn't know anything about MayMay Entrata. Even though I'm Filipino, I don't really watch a lot of Filipino shows. And I'm so curious because many people are a fan of her. Many people are fans of her. Wait, what? She has so many fans.
You need to take an English course.
So we want to get to know her better. So we decided to do this video, and one of you recommended this.
Yani decided to do this video.
So we really want to get to know her, and we are curious why she has so many fans.
I keep it long.
Can we get into the topic?
Yeah,
please?
let's get into it.
Yeah. Can you not?
Yeah, because I have my ciabatta.
Can you not tangent focus, Fabio? Focus.
I just
focus.
I just came from work.
Focus. So now we're gonna go through her Instagram profile and get to know her better. Let's see if we're gonna get to know her better. Well, I'm curious what it is. So, you guys requested this and we're gonna do this. And let us know in the comment if you like this. And let us know who we're gonna react to and whose Instagram we're gonna be rating. Okay, so we're gonna title this Rating the Instagram Profile of MayMay Entrata.
Very original.
MayMay Entrata's
So
Instagram.
original.
Whatever. We're gonna figure it out in the title.
Original.
Whatever you see the title, that's the title of this video. So now, my screen's recording. This is my profile, by the way. So, go ahead.
How about me?
Go ahead, follow this profile right now. Just go hit follow.
Okay, we're not
Fabio.
reacting of you.
Anyway, so MayMay Entrata's profile. Wow, 2 million followers. Hey, want some of that? I want some of that. Look, I have a lot of friends following her already too. So.
Oh yeah, I see.
So she's a big deal, okay? She's a big deal because when we reacted to her dress at the awards, sorry, I'll get my phone here.
No, I'm used to it. That's why I developed a very long neck.
We need to move here this way actually because I need to put MayMay Entrata on this side. So first impression of her profile. 2 million followers. That's a lot.
That's a lot. No profile picture whatsoever.
No profile picture.
That's a tiny bit.
She's only following 700 people. Does she follow us? Oh, she doesn't follow us. Bitch.
Bad.
Bitch. Does she follow Beyonce?
Oh, she follows Tasty. I like Tasty. She follows conspiracy theories.
Where?
Why is she saying Luke 1:37? No, tell me what's the verse.
I need to pray for
What's the verse?
Oh, okay. I thought you didn't know what it was. Let's actually look it up. So first impression of her, she's a Christian. For with God, nothing shall be impossible. Yes, that's good. Yeah. First impression though, it looks like
she's handling it herself.
No, at first impression, I feel like it's a mix of both.
But I don't see that she's an actress that much in here.
What do you mean? How do you know by looking at somebody's profile if they're an actress or not?
I don't know.
I'm so confused by your
Is she not holding a prize or something?
Anyway, don't mind Fabio. It's handled by the management team as well because there's a lot of promotions. I prefer actors and actresses holding their own Instagram because that's how fans connect to the actors and the celebrities.
Oh, those pictures
So let's
are beautiful.
scroll through it.
Yeah, you keep going back and forth. They're gonna go crazy. I like this yogi post that she has.
That's not her.
Oh.
Fabio, you're so easily deceived. That's not her. That's a stolen photo from the internet.
Okay,
or
but she
something.
posted it on her profile.
Profile. Do you like his accent? So she has some. We see that she has some photo shoots.
Oh, she's pretty.
Oh, she's actually cute.
She's so cute.
She's actually cute. Let's zoom in on the eyes. Oh, she's actually cute.
Oh, those eyebrows. They've been brushed.
She's actually cute.
Wow.
Her face is
Her
perfectly
face
shaped.
is so oval.
It's very symmetrical.
beautiful.
Yeah, oval is the perfect shape. We're speechless. We're taken away by her beauty.
It's a nice shot.
So we see that she has some endorsement. She's endorsed by
Peel Off.
Peel Off Gel Mask. It's skincare.
Yani peels off a lot.
I must
Look
say,
at this picture. I love it.
yes, I must say I love the high fashion photos.
Yeah. Oh
Look at
wow, the dress is beautiful.
She's a rock star. So what do we know about her so far? First, she's a Christian. She's very famous. She has 2 million followers.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Wow.
She's serving you fierce.
I just wish someone cut these tiny hairs.
No, I feel like that's part of it. It makes her more relatable.
Oh wow. Oh.
What's this photo? She went shopping?
Cool.
Wait,
oh,
is
I
she
love
a
this
singer?
outfit.
Is she
That's what
promoting
I
a
was-
song?
That's what I was wondering, because the tour looks like she's singing. Oh.
Girl.
Oh.
Girl, that dress. I want that dress. Is that a... That's her boyfriend, the one we reacted to. Oh, Katniss
Damn.
Everdeen. Oh, this is the ABS-CBN ball. Harry Potter, remember?
Yeah. She looks so beautiful in that dress.
skinny. She's a high fashion
Oh, look at
model. Some more shots of the dress, as
wow,
she
that
should.
dress.
If I were wearing that dress, I would be posting million photos on Instagram.
She's posing like that because someone stepped on it and she's like,
I just think it's a high fashion pose with a shoulder and all.
no, no.
Oh,
Wow. A bit more exposure though.
No, I like the ambience. How can she walk? I love how it's perfectly flared out from the knee to the bottom. How is that possible?
I know how she walks. She's on rollerblades. She just pushes on a wall and she goes.
No, her boyfriend pulls her. Wait, what did the boyfriend say? Oh, he's asking on the cards, are you free? Are you free to be my date for the ABS-CBN ball?
That's sweet.
Bitch, why don't you do that for me?
It's so sweet because I wasn't invited to.
Look
any
at him!
ball.
He rented a van just for this to ask her.
Yeah, he's also rich. So wow, he's
Oh,
so
he's
cute.
so cute.
He looks kind of like a Justin Bieber of the Philippines.
She loves posting some quotes too. Never give up. God works in mysterious ways. She really loves God. I first thought it was
She's so
only.
skinny.
I first thought she was taking a picture on the bathtub. It looks like a bathroom. Okay, now they're talking. I think.
Oh.
I love her personality.
She's goofy.
I think she's goofy. She's
Yeah.
quirky. She's funny.
I wanna do this, a photo shoot together.
You never take pictures.
We get so awkward when we
No,
get photos
No,
together.
no, you
Look.
never post anything with me on your Instagram.
Never, cause you told me.
Go
no,
on Fabio's Instagram and look if you can find a picture of me on there.
guys.
Nothing.
Yani told me, but I have a picture with his brother. But yeah,
Aww. Cute!
she looks so much fun to hang out with.
I feel like, yeah, I think so too.
Look at that.
Look at them.
Let's pose like that.
Damn. Oh, I love this photo.
Wow. This
She's
is such
so
a beauty
relaxed.
commercial. Pose is so nice with the
It's
broken
very-
neck. She's
I know.
like, feed me ice cream.
Oh, this one. I love this dress.
Oh, those lips are full. Badass.
Badass. Oh my god, she could be a model. She got the
She
body.
is, don't you see? She is a model.
I wonder how tall she is though. We do everything.
We-
Oh no!
Oh
my God.
That's a sign.
That just means that's the end of this video. Final thoughts, Fabio. What do you think of her?
I think she's beautiful. She's so great. She has a nice. I think she has a very nice personality, and she must be very bubbly and friendly.
I think she's very
But
bubbly
also,
and
she
friendly.
knows when to be
serious.
serious and
For
like
photo
fierce.
shoot. Yeah.
She's like, "Do."
Oh
and then
my
she's
God.
like, ice cream.
You know what I heard? She speaks my language. I think she's Visayan. Comment below if that's true.
Oh, I thought you meant broken English.
So I think that you guys should let MayMay know to follow me alone. Me alone.
And it's okay if she doesn't follow me. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, that concludes this video. I really love her. Her first personality shows that she's bubbly, goofy, and quirky. And I think she has good sense of humor. And I like people with good sense of humor. What happened to you?
I keep coughing.
Let's do a MayMay pose. Let's do a commercial laughing.
See guys, we're versatile too.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure to comment down below what kind of video you would like us to do next and who's the artist you would like to rate their Instagram. And let us know which artist you would like us to check out their Instagram with.
I think they got it. They
got it.
They learned after
You
a
got
year
it.
that you do
I
YouTube.
know.
They know.
Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.
See you next time. You mothers.
Ciao, teman!